Hurricane Pass. That sign with the stick sticking out of it says Hurricane Pass on the other side. And those of you who've seen it know that it probably sticks about 4 or 5 feet above ground. And the road's another foot or two below it. As you can see, there's still lots of snow. I'll try and walk out a little bit. This is Poughkeepsie Gulch I'm looking at. Normally you can just see a maze of roads over there, but and part of the reason they're probably not plowing the road is you can see that corners are starting to slide, and the road literally goes right below that on that shelf, which is the California Pass, which is right across the way there. You can see it. Let's see if we can get it. California Pass is right about there, and then I'm going out in the corner, so I'm going to stop because I don't know how far I can go. And then there's Lake Como, the edges of it. As you can see there, there's still an awful lot of snow up here. The roads are open, if some of them are even opened at all. So we'll see what happens. Just a brief update, but again, I'm at the summit of Hurricane Pass, so you can come up here and turn around in this little area and head back down. You all take, I'm gonna go up. Let's see, one last thing is, let's see. Yeah, there's Ross Basin straight ahead. As you can see, there's still an awful lot of snow, especially on the north side of these peaks. Anyhow, give you a little bit of perspective. It is a historic year if you want to come up and see some special stuff. There's trees that they found broken in an avalanche. They counted the rings, and the tree was 150 years old. So this kind of weather hasn't occurred in a long time. So we're fortunate to see it, but it does change things. You all take care now. Bye.